Presents, Eli? It's a little bit dark. Now open your present. Open this one here. This is from Mommy, Daddy Ronald, and Ate Chim Chim. Yeah, open that one. Go. Go on. Give me that. Now open your present. There. Let's see what's inside. Come on. Don't get distracted with the tape. Ooh, what is that? Look at that. Wow. What is that, Eli? New shoes. Big shoes. Yay. Wow, this is nice. Geox shoes, Eli. Very nice.
Wow, where did you get those from?
Ronald and Pamela. This will be great for him next year now. Great, I like it that way. Elijah? Can you say thank you? Eli? Eli? Can you say thank you? Elijah? Here. Eli, thank you. Okay, move on to next one. Where are the next? How about this one here? Can you open this one? Open it. What is that? Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Ooh. What's that? What is that? Ooh! More clothes for Eli. Let's see. Wow! Yay!
Camouflage, too.
That pairs the shoes. Yay! And what else are here? What is this? This is from Lydia. That's from Lydia. Can you open it? Can you open this? What's this, Lai? Look! Look, Eli. Okay, he's more interested on the tape. Hey, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh, Mega Blocks. Oh, Elijah will enjoy that. Yeah. Say thank you. Thank you, Lydia. Can you say thank you? Can you go flying kiss? Flying kiss, Eli? Thank you. Oh, okay. Can you say bye-bye now? Bye-bye. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. No, don't eat that. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Mwah. Mwah. No. No flying kiss. Okay.